abahlengeletane ku xixima Thabo Masebe. Masebe muvulavuleri wa mfumo u hlamuseriwa tani hi munhu wo tshembeka. U sungule ku tirha tani hi muvulavuleri wa mfumo ehansi ka vurhangeri bya khale ka holobye-nkulu wa xifundza-nkulu Gauteng Lowa hi mpfhuka ka 1999 ku fika 2008. U ve muvulavuleri wa khale ka president Motlante. Loko a hundza emisaveni a ri director general wo khomela ehansi ka vurhangeri bya holobye-nkulu Makume. Ndyangu wakwe wu khumbeke swinene ni ku va egomeni hikwalaho ka rifu rakwe.
Thabo, it's not a praise singer. If he says to you, you have done well, I know I have done well. Some of the people want to buy my face, but with Thabo, he was genuine. And as a politician, I'm saying I was fortunate to have him in my life, to say I've got a person who is objective.
Lava nga tirha na yena vari a ri un'wana wa vatirhela mfumo wa xiyimo xa le henhla ni ku tshembeka.
To the family of Thabo Masebe, thank you so much for sharing him with us. You know, when we had called to ask a quick question, we'd spend hours on the phone debating the subject. And that's time that he took because he cared about the context, he cared about the country.
U beriwe mandla eka vuswikoti byakwe byo hambanisa mitirho ya mfumo ni vutomi byakwe bya xipolitiki.
If you were not clear about your story, you will not be able to answer that question. And I agree with you that he was an honest man. He was trusted and he was very reliable, as most of you who are in the media have said, as a communicator. And you have also explained why. Because he never wanted to spin, as DG Williams said, but he wanted to communicate the facts as they were.
Masebe uta heleketiwa endlwini yakwe yo hetelela eswilahlweni swa Thomas Gobi ekurhuleni evuxa bya Johnny mundzuku.